Hey guys, it's me. It's Stephanie. I'm back. I'm playing around with the Ninja Speedi rapid cooker. So I'm doing today some fettuccine Alfredo with spinach and tomatoes and some chicken. So I'm going to use that and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. This is the Ninja Speedi. Okay guys, I don't know if any of you have seen it before, but this is the Ninja Speedi. So, I'll show you what else I'm going to do. Guys, I have about half a box, maybe, of fettuccine. You know, not even half a box, probably almost a third, almost 2/3 of a box, excuse me, almost 1/3 of a box of fettuccine in this Ninja. All right, guys, now I'm going to put a cup of water in here. That's what I'm doing. And also, I'm going to take about that much. This is it's better than bouillon chicken. So I'm going to throw this one basil leaf also in here. Here is about a half a cup, I think a half a cup of milk. Pouring that in. So again, here is a jar of Alfredo sauce with roasted garlic. And what I'm gonna do is put maybe half the jar in here. I don't need the whole thing. I'm now gonna take this foil paper and just put it right on top. Just like that. It's gonna stay right there. Now, you see these? These are grape tomatoes. They're going right here, right on top. You're gonna have a spray of avocado oil right on top of that. All right, I'm gonna put some pepper on here, just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some garlic and herb seasoning. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, it's garlic and herb Spain spice. And I'm putting a little of that on here. The next thing I'm showing you is, this is the grill grate. And it has these little feet things in here. These things here. So you have to pull them all the way down before you put them in. Just click them in. Click them in like that. And then you want to put it right on top like that. So we're going on to the next step. Okay guys, I just put, this is about 1 pound of chicken tenders. And I seasoned it already with some onion powder, some granulated garlic powder, granulated garlic, and some Spain spice, which is garlic and herb. I don't know why I'm having trouble, but anyway, this is Spain spice, garlic and herb, and which I use a lot. So I'm also going to sprinkle. This is basil. This is oregano, basil, and tomato, which I put on my eggs. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on here too. Okay? And probably a little bit of black pepper. And I already sprayed it with some avocado oil. So now we're getting all right, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get this party started. First, I'm gonna pull this down. And it's already on rapid cook, which is where I want it. Going to turn it on. And I want to do, let me see, steam and crisp. So I'm bringing it down to the second one right here. Steam and crisp. I'm going to bring the temperature down to 370, Now, you know what? Probably let me try it on 360. Yeah, maybe 360. Then I'm gonna do the time at 15 minutes. And here we go. We're gonna do some rapid cooking to try to get some dinner done. Here we go. Okay guys, you can see it already started counting down. I would say it took maybe 6 minutes or so, 7 minutes to start counting down. So I feel some steam over here, which I see some steam over here. And then we'll be back. We're gonna see what it looks like, and I'm gonna, of course, temp the chicken to make sure that it's what it's supposed to be. So we'll be back. All right, guys, I came up with this idea. So I was sitting there. I said, you know what? I'm gonna put some of my favorite stuff in there, which is garlic butter and with olive oil. And I'm gonna I melted it a little bit, and I'm gonna put this right on top of this chicken. It's been in like about, it's been air frying like about 6 minutes. But I'm gonna put this right on top because I think it's gonna give it a wonderful taste, wonderful. So I'm gonna just throw it right on here and literally, okay, that should be really, really, really good. That should really make it tasty in my eyes. I'm actually gonna just turn them over right now because I want to. Turn them right over. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good, good, good. It already air fried on one side, as you well can see. I'm gonna take a little temperature check anyway. So, just take that one. This one's at 160, almost 170. So they're really done. And frankly, it could have been done in less time than I have in here right now. But I'm going to leave them on for, another three or 4 minutes, only because I want to put this on. And I'll be back in a few minutes. Just let this get a little crispy. Maybe about 3 more minutes, so that this side could have some fun. And this is going to be really good, really, really good. And I don't even care that it goes down because it's gonna give the rest of the food goodness, you see? Okay, I'm gonna open this up and take a check. It smells, oh my God, it smells good. It smells good, it smells good. It really smells good. And we're really done. We're way over, so we're really done. These are done. They smell good and they feel tender with this. All right. I'm gonna take them out. Okay, I'm gonna take them out. Just put them on the side for a minute. Wow, they smell so good. All right. Next, we got to take out this tray. All right, then, you can see the tomatoes in here already. They're in here nicely, very good. I want to get them out of there. It's gonna be tricky. You know what? I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'm gonna do it this way. Put them right where they have to go anyway, because what they have to do is they have to come in the spaghetti, the linguine, fettuccine, excuse me, anyway. Got this all together, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it all up. Come on, guys, get in here. So the fettuccine is in, the tomatoes are in, the Alfredo sauce is in, and you gotta put 2 more things in. One is some pesto. I'm gonna put some pesto in here. Not the whole jar, because this is like half the amount I need anyway. So let's say I put maybe two spoonfuls like that in. That's enough. We're gonna get that in here too. So now we got pesto in here. Good Lord have mercy. This smells good. This is for maybe 2 people or 3, maybe 4 at most. And that's all. It's not for a whole lot of people. So this pot is not for a lot of people, but enough, you know what, maybe who you normally would cook for. So that's what it really ends up being. So I got that in there now, and I'm gonna put some spinach in. So a couple of handfuls of spinach is what I'm doing. And we all know spinach is gonna you know, wilt down. And so I'm gonna just stir it for right now. And it's beginning, it's gonna already start to wilt down. So gonna get it in here. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just put it on like steam for about a few, but not long. I'll put it down. Still got some time anyway. So fine, I'm gonna let it go the last minute, 33 seconds. Okay guys, this is where we are. Now I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put it on steam for about 2 minutes so it can finish cooking up the spinach there. So we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna turn it back on. We're gonna put it on steam. I don't need 10 minutes. Steam it for like 4 minutes. And here we go. I'll be back in like 4 minutes. Okay guys, that was 4 minutes on steam. And this is what it's looking like. I'm going to add a little black pepper just because I want to. I think it will be nice. Also going to add some Parmesan cheese. Okay, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese in here because I also think that's nice. Just added Romano cheese. Now I'm going to give it a taste for me. There is Alfredo sauce in here. There's spinach in here. There's tomatoes in here. There's Parmesan in here. There's Romano sauce in here, and I'm giving it a taste. When I tell you something, that is good. Oh my goodness. That is good. I'm gonna plate some up with the chicken and I'll show you. All right, guys, this here is my plate, okay? That's it. I'm gonna taste it. But before I do, I wanna say one thing. I got some inspiration definitely from Lisa from Pressure Crisp. And she has her channel, and I saw something she was making with the other Ninja product, the other Ninja, not a food, it's a foodie, but it's not this one. And I said, you know what, I can make that in that thing. And I also can do it in a smaller amount. So I tried it, and I think it's gonna come out, it has come out delicious, because I've already tasted the linguine, or excuse me, the fettuccine. So now I'm going to show you guys what it tastes like, okay? This is the chicken, which is good. You know, it's It's chicken breast and it's good. And it has that good, a nice flavor because of the what's that called? The garlic butter. That's what it was. Anyway, now I'm gonna take some of this. Boy, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I want to do this with some shrimp because I like shrimp. So I want to do this, figure out a way to do this, and I already have it in my mind. I'm going to do this with some shrimp. But this is good, and I will have some more. Delicious, delicious. It's got everything you need in here, and you can feed. This is enough for me probably, and I still got enough for maybe 2 or 3 more servings. So I'm good, and I like this. I like this Speedi, this Ninja Speedi rapid cooker. So air fryer rapid cooker. It's good. I like it very much so. So I'm off. I'm gonna finish eating that because it is good and it's gonna be my dinner. So everybody, thank you all for coming, liking, subscribing, and sharing, and please continue to do so. And I'll be trying my best to get a little bit more back into the swing of things as I'm healing. So anyway, here we go. I'm out. We'll talk soon. Mwah. See ya.